I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. Want me to say something?
Okay, so we made it to Phi Phi. Walked about 10-12 minutes to our hostel. Luckily the room was ready, so we were able to check in. Fucking sweating so bad, you can probably see it on my upper lip. The room, honestly, I was expecting worse. I'm not to say it's nice, but it's not bad. The bed is actually really comfortable, one of the comfier ones we've had. The green is giving your room at home chase. And then here's the cave of the bathroom. Not too bad. Not any worse than what we've been staying in. So sweating balls. So we're on the water, so might just jump in really quick. And then the like booze boat tour thing leaves in like an hour or something. So we might do that. Not quite sure yet, but I think it'd be fun. So yeah, we'll see. Definitely need to go get in the water though. I'm sweating so much. So catch you later. So now that we're in Koh Phi Phi, we're just checking out the island, doing a little bit of shopping, and I'm so ready to jump in the water. There's not like a lot of beach access on this side of the island, but yeah, so far I kind of like it here. Definitely really touristy, but I knew that coming into this. So pretty. How cute. Look at that water, Chip. Oh my gosh, the lighting in here is so bad. I look like, I don't even know. Alright, so we walked around the town a little bit. Chase got some sunglasses because he really needed it. And then we went swimming on our beach right here at the hostel. And it's terrible. It's like really shallow. It never gets deep. It's like kind of dirty a little bit. And it's like a freaking hot tub. Like it's so much hotter than the Riley Beach. What? No, it's in the backpack.
I know it's not.
Yeah, it is. But it's still pretty early, so we're gonna go to the gym, and then I want to go to this viewpoint to watch the sunset. It's like a 30-minute like hike / walk up stairs, so it's gonna be hot, but I want to do it. So
I have to go to the
it's in there, I promise. I saw it on the beach. But yeah, so we're gonna go to the gym, and I'll talk to you guys later. So I realized I never recapped our boat tour day on Koh Phi Phi, so I'm going to do that really quick. It started, we woke up and we booked our tour for about 10:30. So we met with our group and then we waited to get on the longtail boat. Then we got on the boat and our first destination was to Bamboo Island. Oh no! Our first stop was to snorkel at like Shark Bay or something they call it. We didn't see any sharks there, but it was okay snorkeling. It really wasn't that amazing. We saw some fish and that was about it. And then we trekked over to Bamboo Island, which honestly took a while in the longtail boat. 30, 45 minutes. It felt really long, but this island was insane. This is insane.
Falling to pieces in my room. You're coming over, that's cool. I could use a little something.
This water I can't get over. It's amazing. Clearest waters I've ever seen. The sand was so like fine and white sand, and seriously the water was just amazing. So we hung out on this island for about an hour. We did some swimming, a little bit of snorkeling, but there really wasn't much just because it was literally just sand. And yeah. And so then we got back on the longtail boat and we headed all the way over to another snorkeling spot. This one was a lot better. There was more stuff to see. We saw a little baby reef shark. I don't know if it was a baby, but we saw a reef shark, which was amazing. A lot of the coral here is pretty much dead, like not a lot of colors, but still a lot of sea life and things to fish to see. But after that, we spent about 30 minutes doing that snorkeling. Then we headed over to, what was our next stop after snorkeling? With the bacon. It's like, please.
You get that on video?
Yeah. We headed over to, I think it was like the lagoon, like Pile Lagoon or something. And oh my gosh, the views going into this lagoon were beautiful. Like the rock formation and the clear water and just everything was gorgeous. And so we stopped there and we swam a little bit.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. 'Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain. Maybe you can do this time.
And then we got back onto the boat and we went to Maya Bay. Maya Bay you can't like boat up to, so you have to go around and then walk through the little island, I guess, over to Maya Bay. And Maya Bay is beautiful. There was a ton of people when we first got there, so we made our way to the other end of the beach. And oh my gosh, the views were just gorgeous. And I know it gets really, really packed, but it doesn't even matter. It's so pretty. It's worth going and seeing it for your own eyes. And you can find spots where you can take pictures, and honestly, eventually, we were there, but at the end of the day, it cleared out completely, so we were able to sit on the beach and just watch the waves go by. You can't swim there. I didn't mind. It was the end of the tour. I didn't need to swim again, but just the sand on that beach was even better than Bamboo Island, and that's hard to beat, so it's pretty awesome. Definitely worth it.
Now I don't really wanna go, but you don't really wanna stay. Baby, step into my soul, and you can take it away. Now I don't really wanna go, but you don't really wanna stay. Baby, step into my soul, and you can take it away, take it away. Now I don't really wanna go to the place where you're not gonna miss me. Life's no fun if you don't live it risky. Learn how to fly so I can go and dang 60. Learn how to grind so I can go and dang 50. Fell for a girl, but really I think she tripped me. Now I'm going crazy and I'm betting that she wish we go back to the start. Heal the cracks in my heart, but I'm old bro now and you ain't never gonna.
0 out of 10, how good is the corn? 10. It literally tastes like popcorn. That's so good. We're just eating corn and then Maya Bay views in the back. Pretty good day. And then we got back on the boat. We went over to another swim spot and we swam and watched the sunset.
I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm walking out my head through open windows. 'Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in.
And then when sunset set, we boated over back to Koh Phi Phi, our island, but before docking, we got back in and did some snorkeling to see the plankton at night. I think it's the bioluminescent plankton, but honestly, it's not like at least where we were, it wasn't like lit up blue like you see in the videos of other places. You would just have to like move your hand underwater and then you'd see it kind of like spark and light up. So that was cool, but it wasn't like, oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like, I can check it off my bucket list. I still need to see somewhere a little bit better than that, but it's still fun. Chase wasn't feeling very good most of the day. He was feeling really nauseous, so that was a bit of a bummer. And it was honestly a really long day. We started at 10:30 and we didn't get back until 7:30, 8 o'clock. Like, it was really, really long to be on that boat. But the views we saw were worth it. It was amazing. It just kind of took a lot out of us. So when we got back, we showered and then we got dinner. And honestly, we just called it a night. Especially because we knew we had to wake up and leave the next day, which that is where I am today. I am in Koh Samui. It was a very long journey, but I'll tell you all about that the next vlog. But honestly, overall, Koh Phi Phi is awesome. It's definitely a party vibe. If you want to go there, you can party hardy. We didn't do a lot of partying, but we just have such long days that by the night, we're not really into getting super drunk. But we did definitely do our fair share. We went to the reggae bar, we watched some boxing, we participated in some of the fire limbo and all that. So we did what we needed to do. So yeah. Koh Phi Phi was awesome. Excited for Koh Samui now. See ya in the next vlog. What are you doing? See the burn.
1 out of 10, how bad is it?
It's pretty solid.
9?
Yeah.
What?